Putting a new spin on things you like red velvet cupcakes. There's nothing wrong with how it was done before, but it's your time now and you want to try something that feels new. So you feel you need to start from scratch. There's nothing wrong with that, as long as you know the history that came before, like the cake mixer that's older than you that you clean up for another 30 years of mixing. So future doctors, construction workers, welders, and teachers, the world needs you badly. And to future artists, athletes, and creators, the world needs you too. You all are capable of providing inspiration. Always try to keep learning, no matter where you are. Just try and try and try, and it will sometimes take a few tries. But here's a secret. You won't be the first to start from scratch. Actually, it's more likely you'll imitate and then you'll innovate. Turn negatives into positives, turn failures into feedback to make the right changes. Always be learning. And then, when your knowledge level goes up in a way that only failure can teach, it's 3:17 a.m. and things still might not go the way you want it. But at least you'll get a story out of it all.
Did you get in that cake mix? Did you get in that cake mix, Rennie?
Then another day brings another crack at it. When you admit the homemade cheesecake icing turned out pretty well, and after trying again, you'll get a taste of success that'll only come by not giving up, even if it doesn't look like how you pictured it.